Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a couple of examples of process measures and outcome measures that I think will clarify the topic. So we know that grocery stores want high satisfaction scores, and one of the ways they achieve that is by making sure people don't have to wait in line. So one of the processes that they use is that anytime somebody is the fourth person in line, they'll open another register. So a process measure would be to see how often they're following that process. The outcome measure, or the intended outcome based on that process, would be if they have high satisfaction scores. So similarly, in healthcare, a process measure is our administration of aspirin when a patient comes to the ED and has an AMI. The outcome should be relative to perfect care for the AMI patient. So we can see, so anything we're doing that we're measuring, the processes that we apply should have a specific outcome. And those are your outcome measures, whereas the other are your process measures. Please let me know how else I can help.